What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and I first must send a huge thank you and shout out to Google for sending me over the Pixel Buds A series to try out. So let's go, Team Pixel. Thank you, gift from Google. All right then. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets. Spectacular Gadgets. Spectacular Gadgets.
The box tour was fun, but now let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. Type-C charging on the bottom. On the back, press this button to pair your Pixel Buds with a device. Now you see this is the dark olive color, so you get that stripe of dark olive color. This is the Pixel Buds 2 on the left, and this is just to compare the size of the cases. And to me, there's not a big difference. The Pixel Buds 2 may be a little bit bigger. There is no wireless charging on this. Opening up the case, you'll see the dark olive color, and you'll notice that it's more glossy than the matte finish that they put on the Google Pixel Buds 2. Notice the flashing light. This will be your indicator light to let you know if it's pairing, if it needs to be charged, if it's charging. Let's take a closer look at the Pixel Buds. These wingtips will help the Pixel Buds stay in your ear no matter what you're doing. Take a look at the back. You have it labeled left and right. And then you also see at the top of these possibly a mic and different sensors to help do noise reduction. And at the bottom, most likely sensors for letting the Pixel Buds know it's in your ear. I want to show you the ease of changing out the ear tips. Very easy to do. You just pull them off, find the correct size that you want, and you place it on. But what I like to do is push it back a little bit, like push it down as you see like this. And that way I feel that it's on, and then do the same thing with the other earbud and you're good to go. Very easy to do. Another very easy thing to do is pairing the Pixel Buds to your device. I simply just open the top of the case and voila. Once you get it set up, you'll see welcome to your new Google Pixel Buds A series, and you kind of go through the setup. They'll give you information, how to wear it. Notice that they did give you different size ear tips, so find the best fit. You have small, medium, and large. Then you go ahead and hit next. This next screen says how to skip tracks, end calls, or reject calls. You're going to triple tap to do the previous track. Plus, like I said earlier, you get to see the charging status. So when the case is closed, you can check the status. The lights are orange when charging and white when fully charged. So if we close it, it's white. So as you see, 100%, but 95% for the case, but each earbud is at 100%. So these do have dual microphones, one on the top, one on the bottom, and then the in-ear detections on the bottom. Comfortable and secure with the wingtip, plus you have tappable surface, so how to control it. You can summon your Google Assistant by tapping once and holding. Now here is some device details. Gives you battery percentage, but we also can find our device if we happen to lose it. Let's go ahead and test it out with the left earbud. Here, go ahead and take a listen.
Spectacular Gadgets.
I'll go ahead and take a look at more settings, see if there's anything in there. So this is where you would update the firmware and any other tips and support. Pressing back, every other setting seems how I want it. So the next best thing is let's go ahead and test them out. This is how the Pixel Buds look in my ears. And as you see, I don't have the biggest ears, but that wingtip definitely helps for it to stay in place. So here it is again. And so far, they're comfortable. Haven't had them in for a long time. So at this point, they feel pretty comfortable. Let me show you, just as a reminder, that the A-series Pixel Buds will not charge wirelessly. So here I have it on my charger, and let's see. As you see, it's not charging. Just to show you, here's the Pixel Buds 2. These can charge wirelessly, and you'll see in a second. You see, it's orange. So you're losing wireless charging, but you're saving yourself some money by getting the A-series. Now that a few days have passed and I've been rocking the A-series Pixel Buds, first let me mention that the Bluetooth connectivity issues that was seen on the Pixel Buds 2 is not a thing with the A-series. So they were able to go ahead and fix that. One thing that I did notice is trying to get to the previous song while using the touch area. You saw it was a bit finicky. I did get it a few times, and it could be me, I'm not sure, but pressing play or pause or pressing it twice seemed to work just fine. 3 times, maybe it's the speed of my finger, I'm not sure. As far as comfort goes, I can say that after wearing it for a little over 2 hours, my ears were starting to feel some discomfort, so I might want to switch out maybe the ear tip, but it never moved in my ear, so that's a good thing. Sound quality, bass, and everything else, to me, now I know this is subjective, but to me it sounds pretty good. All the music that I was listening to, bass, everything, clarity, sounded pretty darn good. Let's go ahead and talk about what you'll be losing if you decide to pick up the A-series Pixel Buds over the regular Pixel Buds. First thing is space. Space in your wallet, that is. Why is that? Well, you're actually going to be keeping a few more of those dollars inside of your wallet, making you not have as much space if you were just to go ahead and spend the $179 that the Pixel Buds cost. The A-series is only $99. Next, if you choose the A-series, you won't get the wind reduction as far as call clarity, plus you don't get wireless charging as we already spoke about. Another thing you'll be losing is swipe for volume control, so you'll have to control the volume from your smartphone. 2 more things I found mentionable to notice as far as what you'll be losing if you decide to pick up the A-series is the attention alerts as well as colors. There are more color options to choose from if you decide to go ahead and pick up the regular Pixel Buds. Now that you have watched this video and I have given you a little bit of information about the A-series Pixel Buds, let me know down below in the comments if you're going to go ahead and pick up the A-series, or are you going to pick up the regular Google Pixel Buds. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.